Hey guys, today I am going to show you how to put the white background of the image or erase background of the image for e-commerce websites in Photoshop CC. This is a simple and two-step method. First we have to start the Photoshop CC software. From here I will open the file. See, I am choosing this one. See, here are so many tools, but I am selecting this one, pen tool. Select the image which you want to put for e-commerce websites. Carefully select this image carefully. This is a very simple method. Come here slowly. See, this is a simple and easy method, and if you see, Control Z, see here. I used this one method. Control minus. Now right click on the image, make selection. If it is a 1, so please put 0.5 only. Okay. This is select the portion. See, fill, select the fill. If it is the contents, if it is foreground brown, change that, put white, opacity 100, more normal. Okay. Then you see here which portion you want, not that only, that will be all white. Now undo fill. Now come to the select, then select the inverse, then fill it with white. See what will happen. Then select this, select, finish. See, Control plus, see that edges of the image. Okay, thank you for watching this video. To get more videos, subscribe to my channel. Thank you once again.